Petrojam is reporting that it has 2 to 3 weeks of supply of inventory, including finished products, in keeping with global industry standards.
Fresh deliveries of finished petroleum products continue to arrive, ensuring uninterrupted supply to the local market and supporting recovery efforts nationwide, while the planned maintenance shutdown of the refinery gets underway. Repairs continue at the Montego Bay Industrial Loading Rack despite delays, with major works on the dock, which is estimated to be completed by Friday, November 28th.
Energy Minister Darrell Vaz was addressing the House of Representatives yesterday. He added that all major distributors have resumed normal deliveries. SOL Jamaica Texaco has temporarily closed their Georges Plain site.
The Kingston Industrial Loading Rack resumed operation within 48 hours of the hurricane, and between Thursday, October the 30th and November 24th, have loaded over 2,540 tankers of fuel destined for all parts of Jamaica, including the hardest hit areas. The Kingston Loading Rack has extended its operating hours to facilitate additional fuel distribution.